Why risk management is important? Because you should never make losses. In Insta short video, we had discussed there are main four types of risk. Strategic risk, जैसे कि competition coming into the market and ये slash the prices. So how will you change the strategy to cover that risk? Secondly, compliance or regulatory risk. Example is introduction of a new law or new legislation has been passed, which has now affected your business condition. Thirdly, financial risk, like bank has hiked the interest rates on your business loan, or customer enjoying too much credit from you has stopped paying. How will you cope up with that? Because now your cash flow has been disturbed. And then fourthly, operational risk, जैसे कि breakdown of machinery or theft of an equipment. इन सब के लिए there are different kinds of treatments. Well, now we are not into telling you the theoretical or traditional ways, but the practical kind of tactics that big business houses also employ. Number one is insurance, wherein I am not talking of that traditional insurance. Of course, that is there and has to be taken the cover wherever required. But apart from that, sometimes you buy something at little premium, little extra cost, but put your own payment condition that you will pay in 60 days or 90 days after some time. और बहुत से इम्पोर्टर्स इसको अप्लाई करते हैं टेक्निक को. आप कभी किसी एक्सपोर्टर से पूछना जो ओवरसीज इंडिया से माल एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो बायर ये बोलता है जी नहीं मैं पेमेंट तो 90 डेज में दूंगा, आप चाहे थोड़ा सा मेरे से प्राइस एक्स्ट्रा ले लो. वो शुरू में ही होता है प्राइस एक्स्ट्रा, बाद में वो आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स का रेफरेंस लेके आपसे प्राइस भी एट पार ले लेता है, पेमेंट हम 90 डेज सेट हो जाती है. तो ऐसा करने से क्या होगा कि एक तो जो ले रहा है क्रेडिट प्रीमियम पे, उसका कैश फ्लो डिस्टर्ब नहीं हुआ, he has got good movement and rotation of funds. Secondly, आपको क्वालिटी हमेशा अच्छी मिलेगी, क्योंकि जिसको पता है कि मुझे पैसे तो 2-3 महीने बाद आने हैं, वो माल तो ठीक ही भेजेगा ना. And then secondly, to cover the risk is agreement and contracts. If you are apprehending something already, then आप उसको पहले ही एग्रीमेंट में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में डलवा दो, जो कि अगर दूसरी पार्टी उसको मान गई तो आपका बहुत हद तक रिस्क कवर हो जाएगा. Then fear factor, yes, fear factor covers your risk, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा fear in the back of the mind होना चाहिए. वो अगर होगा तो then you will not be putting all your eggs in one basket and you will not be going full throttle. Apart from that, sharing of profits, I believe that it is a way of covering the risk. And you will obviously part with some profits, and then those will be your trade partners joining hands with you. तो ग्रुपिंग में स्ट्रेंथ होती है, आपका हल्का सा प्रॉफिट जरूर डिवाइड होता है कि ऑब्वियसली आप सारा नहीं बांटोगे, आप 5% 10% जहां भी देते हो वहां आपका रिस्क डिवाइड होता चला जाता है. एंड वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज knowledge of that particular trade covers your risk by and large at a very big level, because mainly risk comes from not knowing fully what you are going to do. So you must have practical knowledge of that particular trade, not just the bookish kind of knowledge that you have read the rules and you have learned from the book how to do swimming. नहीं, आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज लेते रहना पड़ेगा, उसको एब्जॉर्ब करते रहेंगे और उसको आप अप्लाई करते रहेंगे. That will cover your risk. Stay connected, stay vigilant. Thank you. This is Tarun B. Kapoor.